Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write a short speech on Independence Day. So let's start. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Aman. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. This year we are celebrating 78th Independence Day of our country. We got independence on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. It is the greatest festival of democracy. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. I love my country very much and I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you so much.